join you.
You're not scared?
Of course I am.
So you know I'm dangerous.
I know you want to do what's right. With your power, you could do a lot of good.
You need to leave.
You don't have to be alone anymore.
I said leave!
You can show the world you're not a monster.
Oh, I mean leave. My favorite show's about to start.
Oh, sorry. Seen it. Seen it. Starfire.
The Princess of Terra. Comfortable, I hope.
Floor bag rock show! Bird!
Such a formidable spirit. Your sister was wise to hand you over.
Goblin neck! Lord, look at that!
I've come a long way to find you. I want you to join my team.
But what help would I be to you? My own sister has stolen my throne and sold me into the slavery. I have nothing. I am the alone.
You don't have to be.